So today you're going to learn how to add and subtract radicals when the numbers under the radical aren't the same. So yesterday they were either always the same, or I told you if they weren't to just ignore it. You can't do that anymore. That was just getting you in the habit of adding and subtracting. This is taking it the step further. I don't know why I keep messing up further and farther today. All right, so first thing you're going to do is you are going to draw a line separating your radicals and bring the plus sign down. This is like a wall. What you do over here does not affect anything you do over here until you get to your plus sign. So you're going to break these down separately, which I'm sure you are kind of sick of doing at this point. So 24 goes to 4 and 6, 4 goes to 2 and 2, 6 goes to 3 and 2. Just like before, build your radical. We have 3 2s and a 3. So circle your pair, cross one off, one comes out. So this goes to 2 root 6. Notice how my final radical is in line with my plus sign. I'm doing that for a reason. Now we're going to work on this one, ignoring everything we did on this side. This goes to 9 and 6. 9 goes to 3 and 3, which are both prime. 6 goes to 3 and 2, which are both prime. Set up your radical. List from least to greatest. Circle your pairs. Cross the circle out. One comes out. Can't circle these because they're different. So we're left with 3. Radical 2 times 3, which is 6. Now, if you notice and you look under your radical symbols, the numbers are the same. Isn't that crazy? Well, that's why we just broke them down. So from yesterday, you know that you can drop down the root 6 and then do 2 plus 3, which is 5. So your final answer is 5 root 6. Just like before, you can check it in the calculator. Root 24 plus root 54, and then 5 root 6. And look, the numbers are the same. All right, so now we are going to take this one step farther. And we're going to put a number in front of the radical. So we're going to have root 12 minus 2 root 3. Again, draw your line, drop your minus sign. This is the wall. It divides this section from this section. What you do over here doesn't affect over here until you get farther down. So 12 breaks down to 3 and 4. 3 is prime. 4 goes to 2 and 2. Make your lovely radical. Circle your pairs. Cross off a pair. One number comes out. So we're left with 2. Radical 3. Now I come over here. Notice how there is a 2 on the outside. Make sure you drop that down so you don't forget about it. Break down 3. Oh wait, isn't 3 already prime? Yes, it is. So you can just leave it. Are the numbers under your radical the same? Yes, they are. And what is 2 minus 2? 0. And what is anything times 0? 0. So 0 is your answer. Can you even see that answer? Nope. There you go. All right, next problem. 3 root 6 plus 3 root 24. Draw your line that acts as your divider. Drop your plus sign. If you make a mistake, it's probably because you forgot about this 3. So as always, when you make your radical, drop your 3. We have 2 and 3, which are both prime. Do I have any pairs? Nope, so your answer is just 3 root 6. There will be some numbers that just never break down and you'll start recognizing them after a while. 6 is one of them, 14 is one of them, 15 is one of them. You'll just get in the habit, see it, and be like, oh, I can't break that down, and just drop it down. Now we got this 3 we can't forget about. And we'll do, how about we do 12 and 2 this time? This goes to 6 and 2, 3 and 2. List all your 2s and your 3s. You got a pair, cross it off, bring it out. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Are the numbers under your radical the same? Yes, they are. So drop that down. And then we have 3 plus 6, which is 9. So your answer is 9 radical 6. All right, we are gonna do 3 more, but one's gonna be simple. And you know what, we're gonna do 2 more. So how about, trying to figure out which one I wanna do. Let's do 2 root 18 minus 2 root 8. Draw your divider, drop down your minus sign. Start with your left side. Remember, draw your radical. Throw your 2 down here so you don't forget about it. 18 goes to 2 and 9. 9 goes to 3 and 3. Circle your pairs, cross it off, 1 comes out. 3 times 2 is 6. What's left under the radical? A 2. Again, set up your second radical. Drop down your 2. 8 goes to 2 and 4. 4 goes to 2 and 2. Circle your pairs, cross 1 off, 1 comes out. 2 times 2 is 4. What's under the radical? 2. And you say to yourself, are the numbers under the radical the same? Yes, they are. So keep the number under the radical, work what's on the outside. 6 minus 4 is 2. And last but not least, what if we had 9 root 3 minus 9 root 3? Automatically with this one, you should have said to yourself, the numbers under the radical are the same, so I can drop down my radical, deal with my numbers on the outside. 9 minus 9 is 0. Anything times 0 is 0. And have a wonderful weekend.